Hi, to set reminder on Samsung Galaxy S25, firstly swipe up to open your app drawer and tap on search bar to manually find reminder. Now if you are opening this app for the first time, you will need to allow some permissions, and after that you can set a reminder. So tap either here, enter something, tap calendar icon, and set like a schedule 3 days from now, for example. Then you can tap on time and set time, for example 7 a.m. like that. Or you can tap this plus, enter name here. You can even select image for this reminder or take a picture. And now you can select time, for example to run all day, and choose day in the calendar like that. Also, you can set repeat or tap on don't repeat and select something from here like that. For example, repeat on the second Tuesday. Just choose which one suits you the best. I'm gonna tap on don't repeat and save the changes by going back. You can add place for your reminder, so you can pick a place here and you can tap on my reminders and add this one to specific category. For example, let's create category work. We can also change color of the icon and change icon itself. So let's set this office, for example. We can pin it to top of list, share with people, and then tap add. So now I got two categories, work and my reminders. Now let's go back and save this reminder just by tapping save. And now it is created. Also, we can tap on lines and check all of our categories. For example, if you'd like to check your important items, tap here and you can immediately create something that is going to be important in your calendar. So that's it. Now we can find it in our work theme. We can tap here and mark it as completed. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.